Hello. That is a pleasant surprise. Everyone is here already. Captain, Alexei, BK Donkeys, and A Troop. Welcome back. I just took a 20-minute nap in preparation, so let's see how I feel in an hour. So far, I have a little bit of more energy than usual, so that's good. Um, let's see. So we cleaned all the caches. Oh no, it's already built some. Okay, let's run the server. How's everyone doing? Lots of warnings, huh? Okay, what is this? Ah, yeah, this is we change the animation. I have noticed that this works very well in the simulator, but not on the phone for some reason. This overlay animates separately from the search bar. But I think that could be because of my phone having a smaller screen. Not really though. Um, anyway, it is better than it was, so we're gonna stage that. This we're gonna work on. This was okay. So when you click on a place from here, it zooms in. That was okay, and the rest of the between screen interactions we will fix later. This is nice to have. Okay, let's fix this first. So when we are on home screen, we very hastily added this section last time, but forgot to put it behind the if. Come, Toby. Come here. Come here. Come. Come. Yeah, good boy. Come. Go be in your bed so everyone can see you. Yeah. This is how you get famous. Yeah. Good boy. He always wants to run away. So when I don't turn the camera on, he's here. When I do, he leaves. Is the rabbit taking too much space? Put it in the corner, huh? Yes, so search, this should disappear. So that's the same if. Now you wanna go to that bed? Okay, then. I'm not gonna force you too much. Okay, so this goes away. I think I should make a smaller simulator. Uh, I think somewhere here I can add a new one. Yes. So I think 12 mini is the smallest phone that is supported by iOS 17. Or is it SE2? 11. Oh, there is not 11 mini, there's 13 mini. Okay, 12 mini, SE2, and 11. 12 mini is the smallest. Um, oh no, this is the smallest. Okay, well, let's try with SE second generation. Okay. Ah, the button is back, everyone. Okay, let's try it. Let's just try it here, I guess. Why do I have black screen as a home screen? Oh, it's so small. It's so laggy, but that might be my computer. Okay, what is my... Wait, I have to sign in on production. Okay, this is a development login. Okay, so there are a couple of issues here. So first of all, for some reason, this text cuts off. Um, I'm gonna make the photo take a percentage of the screen width. So this is something like UI shared, UI window, something, something. I know that it's easily possible, so let's try to find it. Swift get width of the screen. Mm-hmm. So that would be fraction times UI screen main. What was it? View window scene screen. Use UI screen instance found through context and set that. Maybe not. Maybe I'll do it later. And then we'll have the same for the height. And we don't even account for safe area, but I think that's okay. So screen width percentage, something like this. Oh yeah, I always forget to say func as well. Okay, let's see what this does. Is this 20% of the screen? Oh, everything is lagging horribly. 75. What is happening? This is tiny. Does it have... Oh, it doesn't have enough vertical space, I guess. Um, uh, can I say that it's fixed size? And I think each label should take 10%, 20%. Okay, and it was before 150, so this is definitely less than 150, it looks like. But not that much. Okay. So now if we run the one, now if we run it in an actual phone with a different name, okay, that is better. It still seems so big. 15%? Yeah, I think this is better, right? So you like, your phone is here. Okay, I like that. I think that makes sense. So this is better. Okay, we'll close this for now. We'll come back here. We'll go back here. Maybe do point accurate. Okay, so that's one. Um, so now we're going to replace this monstrosity. Um, do I want this? What is place? Is it from Woof? No. Um, okay. I guess that's fine to do. So first we'll make a, maybe we just put it on array of places. So it's not too crazy. So we said we'll make a function called recently added up to so this is int, and it returns place. Can I extend like this as well? I can. Interesting. So if we just say this stuff, so self sorted by ID, drop first of this and then reversed, but instead we'll get count. And this is self count. Maybe we'll rename this. Um, we should get 10 places. Okay, don't look at it anymore, anyone. Mm, so now let's make it look better. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, this is fancy. Can we style the list like this? I don't really think so, but let's first look for images of what it can be in this. No, that's all not. Least custom styling. Okay. Please give a screenshot of what is. Okay, okay, okay. Are you, and the size of the item, is it in any way changeable? Padding. Okay, let's try. So I think we just replace this with list, and that's already something else. Okay, and if we have it in the section, interesting. So we do have for each still. Oh. So we do still have for each, but it's in a list now, and this becomes a section of the list, and that can have a header without a comma, I guess. This is so confusing to me. This double trailing closure is wow. Can I like at least do this? I cannot handle it now. Yet, I mean. Okay, I'll just do this. I cannot handle it. Um, New York font system body design serif. Okay, and list row background, foreground color. Um, List row separator, foreground color. Uh, how do we remove list backgrounds? So we want to look at suites. Where are the suites? Is this all a screenshot? No. Okay, maybe first we'll just try something like this. Okay, this is a terrible idea. Okay. So this. File private struct. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Here. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Constant corner radius. Okay. Hi B Donkey, welcome. BK Donkey, sorry. BK Donkeys. I'm too busy with my cookie. Give me a second, I'll tell you. Hey, unruly hotfixer. The app is about finding dog-friendly places in Amsterdam. So you see a list of where you can definitely take your dog, and it's very nice. So if it's a restaurant, they won't say, please sit outside. You can add a suggestion and say, oh, actually, I've been here, and it's super nice. Or not super nice, right? Because sometimes you want to check if you can take your dog there, and then if we definitely know that you can't, it's nice to see that. Um, you can say that you wanna have dinner, for example, and then you see all the food related places. And there is more coming up, but right now we're working on the basics and adding a lot of places in our city, and then we'll go from there. So that's the idea. And then later, of course, if you're a tourist coming to Amsterdam, right, with your dog, and you have an emergency, we can recommend a vet or something like that. Or what is like a nice pet store? Um, okay, so this looks better. Um, except we need a divider, but not here. Is there really not a way to have a divider in between every item except the last one? Yeah? How was it? What did you do? What kind of visit was it? Okay, we'll just we will just draw a line. How do I draw a line? I can do a very thin rectangle, I guess. Um, but let's see if there is actually a path or something. I'm sure there is a. How to draw a line. I just want to draw a line. Where does this coming from? Ah, I tried separator, line, but not divider. So there is a line. Or is it like divider style or something? Oh, here, divider with this color and this padding. Okay, we're making a small rectangle. No, a path. Is there a path? No, but I don't want to make a path. I just want to make a line. Don't make me build a rectangle, guys. Okay, rectangle with width of screen width. That is not gonna fly. That is not going to fly. So if I do height of 1 and foreground style is theme background 2, I think is called. Um, maybe it's 2. No, it's definitely. But if I make it, it's just gonna be like this. Why so difficult? Hey, Jupiter, my welcome. So beautiful, beautiful cats. Those are. Okay, so I don't have anything obvious on how to fix it, so that means we'll fix it later. Okay, let's start making this. So I guess there is a horizontal stack where this goes vertically with something else, and it starts with, I think, image of place URL. Sorry, photo URL. Huh. I think it's just the path name. Nil 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 nil. Oh, none of them have photos, of course. Okay, let's add some photos. Photos. Photos according to best of best practices. I just stored in a table here. So we need to upload some pictures first. What kind of pictures do we have? Is it all just random stuff? Okay, so this is definitely random stuff. I'm gonna delete this. Um, but that's impossible to delete because all of this needs to be deleted. Oh man, okay, let's just add 10 pictures. Oh, we have 10 pictures already. 13 through 23. Okay, perfect. So next to that, we open places and we get last 10 and they have an ID of whatever it is in files. And we said from 13 to 23. Okay. Um, so let's count. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay. Safe. Places violates 13 is not present. Oh man, I got hacked by my brain. 21, 24, 26, 27, 29, 30, 32, 34, 35, 36, and 37. Okay. Try again. Bam. Do you only use Swift UI? Uh, I try my best not to do anything with UIKit. Sometimes it's not really possible, but so far there is only setting colors on a tab bar and getting certain controllers or dimensions or whatever. If that is what you mean. So we have already a wrapper that does this. Why don't we replace this where it takes a shape? Okay, maybe just start with circles, huh? Let's start with circle and make it, I don't know, 120 width? Okay, and this should be aligned to the leading edge. How large is this? Okay, so 120 seems fine. I guess this should be stretched like this, but I don't understand why this is not aligned. Or I guess this should be aligned. And then we don't need to add a stretching. You're learning you like it first. I imagine if you're doing this professionally, you would have to know you like it anyway for foreseeable future, but we have more experienced people in the chat, so I'm curious what they think. I'm just learning it for myself. This is first time I'm trying to build an app with any level of seriousness. So I also want to enjoy it, and I don't have to support things to iOS versions back or implement certain features if they're not possible in Swift UI. Just wait for a year. um, okay, so it seems to me that this font here is serif. And under it is places subcategory or category. Does it not have a name? What is going on? It does have a name. It's just not clear. Oh, I don't have state. Why would it be left side of new coalescing operator has non-optional? That is a good warning. I'm building new app with UIKit and previous one as well. Swift UI was not capable of rendering. Oh wow, that is interesting. Um, why wasn't I able to get it? Oh, I know why. Because I'm dumb. Dumb. Oh no, I'm not dumb. Because it stayed for previews. But still it's probably okay, now this should work. Where is my text? Wait, I'll just put this here. Okay, that works. And then I'll put this here. Um, so it seems like I have to do this. Oh, it is from environment. Why am I even doing this? Environment object state upstate. Come on. I've just got a project where there is a lot of Objective-C. How experienced are you? The Jupyter. Yeah, I think this image kind of ruins everything. Mm, it needs to be not this one. So the reason this is happening is because I want to show this. So that's why I need that shape there. What if I were to take shape that is a shape style which defaults to circle, and I just use that shape in here and where is it? Here. Does not conform. Oh yeah, sorry, it should be just shape, I guess. Yes, yes, it's some shape. Speyer. No, 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 it's called shape. Sorry. Will this work? Something is compiling. Okay. And then if I make it a rectangle, so what is the problem? I guess the problem is that I'm not doing. Interesting. And does this still work? What are you trying to do? Maybe you want to use clip shape on top of the image. I am using clip shape on top of the image. Should it be like here? Nah. I'm trying to make this circle customizable. So before I just had circle here and circle here, right? That is what I had. It's okay, Toby. They will figure it out without your help. But I guess this circle is a little bit different from this circle. Because if I do this, I can't. Doesn't matter. Let's first try to say it like that. Okay, that also doesn't work. Hmm. Hmm. Only use it in a specific file. Okay, so then, maybe you're right. Okay, so let's then do not touch this. Let's make a new one just right there. Yeah, it is true. So I'm trying to like, hey, don't define sizes here, define them on the outside. You are right. So perhaps it is correct because even, yeah, if I take just this clip shape out and clip it there, something border. Okay, I'm just gonna do this for now. Well, actually, I'll just say image, uh, image. Let's just do this here. Um, I'm just a UI kid dev. No, I think you're right. So what I understand is that we will not do this. Up. Font, large title. Well, actually, I don't think this font is large title, so that's already argument towards what you are saying. I don't think this is overlays then at all. Um, branches have mismatching type. Okay, so then I'll put a group here. Function declares, oh wait, make it a view builder. Oh, thank you. Well, that's super helpful. I was struggling with this stuff. Um, okay, and instead of this, we will use image. Whoa. Why is it still in a circle is a big question. What? Clip shape circle. No. Scale to fill. So, okay. What did I do here? Oh, I make it like specific size in here. Place main image. I make it a specific size here. Yeah, everyone making an app on this stream. You know what? You know what? You should never do this. But you can sometimes do it. Uh, uh, um, The URL has no member dog. I do not need it anymore. Actually, I should maybe do it there. Okay. So height would be. Shall I just read the size of this? No, I shouldn't read the height of this. I should just say it should be 5 by 3, by the way. So 500 by 300, so 60, 90 by 150. No, 120 by 80. And then it's aligned at the top. And what's up with the URLs? Oh, sorry, not place URL, place photo URL. Kind of good. Not really. Constant padding. Yeah, and I forgot, of course, to put everything into a scroll view. Uh, uh, uh. Scroll view, vertical with content. Absolutely not correct. Like this. And we remove one from here. And we put this one here. What did I'm lost. Themed, yes. Okay, so this is now okay. I would hope. I'll just run it on a thing. And we never need a spacer anymore. Or do we need a spacer? Why don't we need a spacer? And why is everything lagging so hard? Am I recording again in here? No. It's not sorted correctly? What if I do this? It's not really that much better. Well, anyway, it will be fine later. Um, okay, and we need to remove the divider. I so want to make a better divider. Okay, so this is font weight bold and font size. Oh, I was just about to say I can just use font size or something. Oh, I can just use this instead of this. That's how it works. I guess that's the closest. Uh, and I think we need to do the spacing in here. All the stacking is not really necessary as well. Like I don't need a stack inside of stack inside of stack. Can I not just have group? Apparently not. Okay, we'll figure that out later. So distances. Um, so this should be, okay, I'll do it now. Not footnote, subheadline, kinda. And this is headline, kinda. And then the weight is light. I think the whole thing is light, huh? Yeah, and we render a shadow here. And dynamic shadows are apparently good bad. So every time I type it, I feel awful. It's so bad. It's such a light shadow, it's just tiny. It's like barely any shadow there. I cannot see anything. Okay, we'll play with shadows later more. Okay, it's kind of fine. So we can do distances. This whole I think image thing I will fix when well at some point. Is there even shadow here or am I crazy? Or is it just freeform does it? I don't really know. I don't really think this is good to have a shadow here. And I think they should have a bit more space between them. What did I do? Oh my god. I almost died. Is there like expert? Oh man, I had a heart attack. Exactly. Oh man. Is there's like anything backup? Man, please. Like in Mirror, if you press Command Z, it's 100% zoom. And in here, it's apparently hide everything from you. Fuck me. Should never trust Apple. Where's my divider? I'll just make it a little bit different. Um, recently Edit. Where do I call it? Okay, recents. Recents are this. And then we only render this if what does this return? A tuple? I think index and then place. Correct? What else enumerated though? Offset element, ID. Generic struct. Okay, so this is just okay, I will not do that then. I will not do that. I will do something very dumb because what is this?
Emotional damage.
Indeed. Um. Uh. Oh. uh, What now? What did I break? Um. Did I not close this if? I did. Did I close this? Did I close this? What is broken now? If I remove this, everything compiles. If I say if true instead of this, everything compiles. If I say this back and I remove this, everything compiles. So I just cannot do this. But I can, but they removed plus plus, of course. So that's nice. Enumerated. Tuple in. Okay, let's just. So anonymous arguments. Okay. Place. Element. That enumerated sequence conform to random access collection. Okay, so that's the issue here. Uh, I don't know if I should do this, but I will. Okay, I just can do recent indices. Recents at this index. non-constant range, not an integer range. Why are you screaming at me? And then if I say if index is recent count -1. Okay, that was a bit. I did not expect to struggle as much with all of this. Just a warning, I shouldn't do it. Non-constant range. How do I do this? Otherwise. Well, okay, I'll do it like this. Okay, we need to go on a walk quickly, but we'll try to. I don't know what we'll try. Filter the array first and use results. Um, no, I want to not render a divider for the last item. I want to not have this one. Yeah, I'll think about it tomorrow morning. I'll wake up and oh my god, I'm so stupid. No, I shouldn't say I'm so stupid. No one should say that. It's just a fact of life that sometimes obvious things are not obvious. Okay, we'll be back in a second. Well, not in a second, but Oh, okay, I have a idea already. Don't have to wait until the morning. Um, okay. Perfect. I noticed also I need to calm down a little bit. I'm too excited. Or agitated, rather. So let's all take a deep breath. Okay. And I would guess, well, we always have places that are recently added, right? Because we have a lot. So then we also add a text, a button that says CLO on the map. How does that look like? Oh yeah, action, no op. Okay, it's not here, it's after. Ah, I copied something else over. I'm not gonna add this. Okay, let's see if we can add distances now. So, how can we get access to user's location? So in here, if we add another spacer, how would it look like? Exactly what we want. So that's fine. Um, and that is an text. Can I have a text with a self symbol? I don't know. I don't think so. Person. That's a different person. SF symbols. Something walking. Figure walk. Okay. Copy name. Figure. A, B, C, D, if, F. Okay. So this. Oh, that's good already. And that should probably be with a font of sub headline as well. Um, it just says minutes. But now we need to figure out how to calculate that. So we do have user's location. Um, Somewhere here. You have a published state. Did update. Did fail. Did finish deferred updates. Did fail. Did determines range. Did update locations. Let's see. New locations are locations. I don't know if it works necessarily because I don't really request. I don't think we need to bark, Toby. Okay? Maybe we do need to bark.
Ik zou eens tegen jou blijven.
Maybe we do need to bark.
Ik zou eens tegen jou.
I don't want to really start updating locations. I don't want to track where you are. Is there a way to kind of know where you are currently? Yeah, start updating location.
Dat is toch wat zo nice. Ik ga Basje maar vertellen dat ik er ben.
Hello.
Hallo.
Desired accuracy. If location service is enabled. The minimum distance the user must move before an update event is generated. Mm-hmm. Okay, so this seems to work, and I guess we need to do it when home screen is appearing. I guess on appear And then we need to do this. And we need to say this. Oh, I know what that bug is. I think this should happen as well. Hello. I was surprised how much I was struggling with this part.
I told you it wasn't gonna be. I knew it. Looks really good, Leaf. You already added the 10 minutes walk?
I'm adding it now.
Shut up. That's amazing.
I'm
That's so
adding it now. Thank you. Um,
What if people don't have their location on?
yeah, so we need to look into that because also if you right now on the map you'll get a huge like warning uh, from when we started months ago. So we need to actually that's a good okay. This is what if you do what if we have no location permissions? How was the movie?
Really nice.
Yeah,
Laughed a lot.
perfect.
I laughed, I clapped, almost cried.
Super nice. Um, okay, what did we make here? I have so I guess what we need to do is to say that user location is locations last or user location. Because I think these are in order of most recently known. Um, hey Rafaklo, welcome to the stream. Um, so let's add the GPS here as well. Or maybe we just use this. Should be binding, huh? So place and user location is, can we not just say GPS user location? No, we cannot, because no, we're not gonna pass it. We'll just read it from there because we'll need to change stuff a little bit. Um, so we only want to show it if if this is not null, so when we run it, okay, so now let's just print the distance. Distance between user and place coordinate. And let's make that function just right here. And it returns meters. Um, okay, so that will be 0, for example. Um, and let's do this maybe. If it's Xcode preview, then we return something, otherwise we return nil. So we can have some data. Let's calculate from here, I guess. So now we can look at it in preview. Okay. Okay, so now we have to calculate that, which is fine. Which is fine except we have a bunch of these extensions, I think here. So it is time to pull them out, I would say. Oh, this breaks because there is not an environment object with upstate for previews, which should have a task where it does this, basically. Can we give a user location here? Apparently not. Okay, so oh yeah, why I forgot already why I was here. I was here, so I can just cut this out. And I don't need this anymore. Okay, so let's think about this. If we just do this all public, that's not really nice. But will it compile? Um, oh, I don't think we maybe, can we put it here? Is core location available? Core location Linux. I don't think it is. Okay, Linux is not supported. Okay, so let's, because I'll just not, no need to do it. No need to do it there. We'll just make it in the apps extensions. And no need to make it public then. And no need to pretty it up a lot. Okay. So now everything builds, and we can put this one there as well. And later we can go back here and refactor it to something that's on the objects that are making sense. Okay, let's see. I love Wop Wops. Welcome to the stream. That is a very brave admission from you. Okay, so we're doing 0 meters all the time, which is obviously wrong. So let's see. How can we easily approximate it? So I would say that is one coordinate latitude, one coordinate longitude, right latitude is other coordinate latitude, other coordinate latitude, and we just make sure that L lat minus L long degrees to meter. And R lat minus R long is less than 1. And we have to abs it. Because 1 degree is 100,000 kilometers. No. 100 kilometers. 1 degree latitude so this is 100 kilometers. I don't know, something like this. And this is about 40,000. I'll just put 2. Okay, we'll just say this. I think shouldn't break anything, right? Okay, and then what we will... Well, actually, this will break if you ever somewhere else. That's maybe not a good idea. Because if you're ever traveling and you want to open it for whatever other reasons, maybe we shouldn't do it. Okay. Um, Distance between... No, I don't want to calculate it. Oh, can I just understand this now? R is Earth's radius. Okay, we're just gonna do this. So we're just gonna return R times C. Earth's radius times C. 6,000 300,000 meters. Okay, then C is 0. I finally realized why they have all the zeros as a static let, so you can do this without defining a type. Okay, then this is 2 times arctangent 2. What is arctan 2? I don't know. There is probably arctan 2. 2 times arctan 2. I'll just put this here. Square root of a. What is it except double the? Okay. Square root of a square root of 1 minus a. Okay. And then a is sinus squared. What is delta phi? I don't even know. Phi is latitude, lambda is longitude. Okay. So delta latitude other coordinate latitude. Let delta longitude is 1 longitude minus other longitude. So delta half of the delta latitudes. Squared sinus. Pow of. No, not this pow. With doubles, please. Which one is x and which y is 1? The power, can we just name this exponent? And this is base, or what's the accurate name? So squared sine of half of distance of delta latitude squared plus cosine of first latitude. Oh, okay, so we did need it. Why don't I just copy this? Oh, it's also in radians. Oh my god. Okay. It's everything is in radians. I should have just looked at here. Yeah, thank you, Alexei, for joining. Have a good night's sleep. Okay. Why do I always do things in opposite order? Okay, so and also radians. It's in radians. Radians. Everything is in radians. Why is this not delta of this two? I don't know, but it's fine. Pi. Mass. Pi. How do we get pi? I guess double pi. Double pi over 180 times degrees. I'm curious. Is this like 25 digits? Okay, so all and then delta in radians. Okay. Lat delta. Why is it not absolutes? I don't understand. I guess we never can have. So radians of lat 1 minus lat 2. I want to do, I shouldn't do apps. I don't know. 2 minus 1. This is like a perfect time to like do this, where you don't have any energy except to copy stuff over. Ln 2 minus ln 1. Okay, delta ln. So lambda is longitude, right? Yeah, delta longitude. So sine squared, come down. Sine of latitude delta squared plus cosine of latitudes multiplied. I should have just done this. I should have copied this over, selected all of this and say ln 1. But I didn't, so I won't do it now. Plus cosines of them plus delta over half. So it's always delta over half. Latitude 1, latitude 2. Oh no, it's all multiplied. Times sin of squared sine of half of longitude delta. Amazing. This just all makes sense to me. I was like, can we just take a square root of this distance over that distance? No, we can't because it's a sphere. But also it's like 25 to 100 meters. Everything is literally the same. How is it that everything is the same? Oh, it's not the same. It's 174K. 6371 meters. Earth's radius in meters times c. C is twice a tan 2 of square root of a and square root of 1 minus a. And a, okay, let's first check this. So squared delta latitude, delta latitude. No, yeah, delta latitude squared. Plus all of this multiplied. Cosine of first latitude, cosine of second latitude. And then longitude delta 2 also squared. Sine of half in radians. And these numbers are pi over 180 multiplied by whatever degrees you have. Latitude 1, latitude 2. Like ln 1 never used anywhere, except here. Ln 2 minus ln 1. Lat 2 minus ln. Is this because of this? No, that can't be true. Why do I get this number? It's oh, of course, because I am that far. I am at Apple headquarters. Okay. Excuse me. We should check here. Okay. That's okay, 34 meters, 32 meters, 17 meters. Why is everything so close? Wait, let me go to let me do this. Is this not gonna format it? So distance formatted. Think this. This is nearest 5 meters, nay? Let's just do this. Okay. But that doesn't seem correct. That doesn't seem correct because everything is very close. Like this is definitely not 5 meter difference. Captain and Co. No. From here to here is definitely not 5 meters. Can we print user? Okay, this and that. That's like definitely on the hundreds. Okay, so something is going wrong. Can we move this to a new window? Yeah, I don't think it matters. It's like 10 times as low. Okay, 6,000 kilometers. So this is in meters. E3, so I add 3 zeros. Math pi over 180. Maybe I should try this. Don't think so, but okay. So we take one other, long, lot, delta, lot, half, okay. Two times atan of square root of a and square root of minus a. And then this is sine squared. It can't be a typo, because you just do sine squared. Sine squared of half of latitude difference. I have an idea that this should be maybe not this. Oh, I see what I did wrong. I did this instead of this. I used I used radians instead of degrees here. Okay, zero difference. Oh, now there is difference. Okay, it just didn't compile. Okay, this looks correct. Okay, now let's make a little bit more reasonable test distance. And calculate it from calculate it. Where did I click? I don't even know. It's calculated from here, right? What is the place? What is this? Okay, let's calculate it from here. Captain and co here. Bin and Banta. Oh yeah, that is correct. Okay. 5 meters. Okay. Looks good. Man. Okay, and then we can convert it to something different. It updates a lot, huh? It updated like 12 times. Okay, so what we should also do now is to not do it. So we're gonna print redraw. Maybe because it's previews. Oh yeah, you cannot print redraw. Uh, oh, you can print this. Okay, and if we run it on a phone, hey, for macros, Zed, thank you for joining, thank you for following, and welcome. For the app, I can tell you how I did it. You type your email, you type your password, I calculate a hash, and if it matches, you get let in. And you get a random token that I can check later. And random token is just a random number. Okay, sealed is this one. I think we're gonna print this. That seems more. Oh, no, I'm not using. Not right now. I think at a later stage we will edit. I don't get it. Oh yeah, because I returned something else. It's like this. Also, like a lot of times it happens, right? And all of those distances are, well, quite far actually. 879 9690. Oh, it's for every place. I think, and now in here it just prints a lot of times, so no. I know, just 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then if we change our location to this, does it update? Oh yeah, it does update. Okay. Okay, seems fine. I guess we should maybe, just to be safe, add a to do here. Do not change this if I'll just start changing it. Figure it out later. Okay, so far is fine. And now we need to know why is this in a thousandths. Oh yeah, 2 kilometers. So let's say average speed for walking in the busy city. Yes, this is a very important information I'm trying to acquire, so we need to be protected. I need to be identified. 2 mile per hour uphill. 253, 210. Okay, so mile per hour, 2 meters. 3.2. Okay, let's do 3.5. Speed is 3.5 kilometer per hour. So if we want it in meters per minute, so we have x kilometers per hour. Okay, that's not gonna work. And we want meters per minute. So we need to multiply by 1000 and divide by 60. Meters per minute. And then we can say that it will take you this many minutes, where it's still distance over speed. This is minutes. And now we can say minutes. Do the same still. Drunk. Formatted. Let's not do this. Let's just do it later. Some minutes. Formatted. Sealed. Formatted. Okay. Is this correct? Why is this not double? 1 minute, 2000 meters. Okay, something is wrong. What did I do wrong? Oh, it's it's already in meters. Okay. And we round it. We will round it to nearest 5 minutes. So you round it how? You multiply it by 5. I'm planning to build an app, but I'm not sure how to start. iOS is always updating. Um, my advice would be you download latest Xcode, you download latest iOS SDK, and you start there. And you don't use anything backwards. If this is your first app, I think that's good strategy. If you're not building it professionally, who cares? Are you learning it as well? Well, I guess so. Otherwise, you would have an answer. Yeah, do that. Um, wait, let's not do rounded. Um, so we have this number. We multiply it by 5. Then we steal whatever it is. Oh, actually, we truncate it, and then we divide it by 5. Am I dumb or something? Oh, sorry, it's the other way around. Uh, okay. Okay, so rounded minutes, and then if we just print minutes, okay, so this looks good, right? Maybe we should do round. So then 35 stays as 35, or maybe we should seal it. Let's say that I work coding, but not in mobile environment. That's why I'm so lost. Yeah, so there is a lot to learn already. I'm in a similar situation. I have a lot of experience, but none with iOS or any other mobile platform when I started building this. So there is enough to learn besides trying to make it compatible backwards some amount of versions. So download the latest versions, start there, don't think about it. Okay, so it was 35 minutes. Can you walk 2.4 kilometers? Which Starbucks is this? How long? Oh, let's try Google, right? Uh, so we were from here, and we wanted to go to and Stoffe here. Around 40 minutes, it says. So not bad, huh? And if we go to Lagom, that's 7 minutes. And we have 10. I think it is perfect. Maybe this is not correct because you're going from Captain and Call. Maybe we can say if minutes less than 5 here, right? Yeah, okay. If minutes are less than 5, we just give the minutes. So then going to the same place is 1 minute. And here we want to say if rounded is 1, then we don't add anything. This is so terrible, but it's good. It's so terrible, but it's good. Oh man, that's nice. Okay, so let's not print any of that other stuff for now. Okay. I guess that's fine. Um Last one is what this is the last what we do today. Oh, I forgot about this completely. To do, we track unconditionally. To do. Last thing that we will do is when you click here, you should go to that place on the map. Uh, so if we just debug here, it's a little bit too. Oh no, so then when you click here, it's not really. Oh man. I didn't think of this. Okay, well let's try to fix that as well. Okay, that's better. That is better, and for now we'll just leave it like this. Um I don't know why it's called place label. Oh yeah, it is a label. It is this one's. So when you tap this, we are going to say we already have it actually. Show place details of the place. And we should replace it with a place because we have nested closures. Okay, so now you click here. Well, doesn't work on the preview, of course. Perfect. Would be nice if back would take you somewhere else, but for now, that's perfect. Okay, this is where we will stop today. Do we need to deploy anything on production? I do not think so. We didn't change the backend. Okay. Yeah, so we added all of this garbage. Yes, yes, yes. That moved out from here. Okay. So recently added places. So when you look here, so my girlfriend was looking at this and she thought her intuition was this would be the most difficult part to implement. And I thought this whole thing is super easy. And in the end, like messing with this image was super tricky for some reason. I made it more difficult and I was too excited, but still. And this was, okay, it's a bit tricky, but it is straightforward. Maybe we should convert this to hours at some point. Where do it say minute? Maybe it should be in hours. It works. If it says 202 hours, can always be better. Okay. We should. Man, I didn't push on GitHub. We almost lost all of this. Oh my god, almost all of this. All of this was almost deleted because I clicked something wrong. I think I clicked something like going from here to here, and it's stuck, and nothing was there. Scary. So that's why I also try to not forget to commit all my work in progress into GitHub. Okay, so we'll try on this as well. Um, let's see how it looks on a tiny screen. Not that we're going to fix anything. Yeah, so loading of these images should be better. Ooh, don't allow. Oh, it doesn't calculate it because you don't have a. Okay, that's fine. Um, I guess this is fine. I'll just put it in here so that we do not forget about it. Okay, close this. There should be a link to settings, I guess, because if you go to settings, well, apparently you can't. Um, Tracking. Where's location? Okay. Where is anything? I do not see anything. I don't understand. Is it so different on a simulator? Uh, do you know where location settings are on a simulator, anyone? Okay, I guess I have to uninstall the app. Oh, now I'm on production again, so you see my password because I haven't updated that yet. Well, it's kind of fine on a smaller screen. So allow while using the app. Okay, so you're very far. Um, but it is fine. We can put a little blur here. But other than that, it seems good. Okay, I'm done. Then for today, the last thing I'll do, I'll deploy this to to test flight, and tomorrow is another stream, so we'll continue our adventure then. Thank you all for watching. It was very nice that I came to starting soon screen and everyone was here. Thank you. Captain, Form Across, Z, thank you for joining. Bye.